Bringing your attention to your breath. Finding a nice, easy breath. Just noticing as your chest rises and falls, rises and falls. With each breath, getting a little more comfortable, finding a little more ease. Allowing a gentle, warm, loving softness to fall upon you now, starting from the top of your head. Just feel this warm glow as it works its way down your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Its warmth works its way down your neck, melting away any tension, dropping your shoulders to the floor. Just feeling as this warmth softens your arms, your forearms, your fingertips, wraps around your chest, your back, like a hug from someone you love. Just melt into it, down your pelvic, down your thighs, knees, shins, toes. With your exhales, making an audible sigh and just letting go of anything that does not serve you this morning. And as we sit here together this morning, cultivating gratitude, cultivating the frequency of love and permission, just noticing the gentle humming vibration from within your heart. No matter what's happening in our lives, my belief is there is an endless summer that lives inside our hearts. That does not mean we give up on the physical world. That does not mean the only thing we do is sit and meditate and go to this place. But what it can mean is at any moment, if you are open to it and you are interested in it, you can access this place, whatever this place is for you. With this last song, I'd like to guide us through a little visualization that maybe might give you a little access to your own endless summer inside your heart. Taking a nice easy breath now. bringing comfort and ease into your body. Softening your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. And just letting the warmth of summer that lives inside your heart grow. Let it expand through your body, reflecting perhaps on a moment, a summer day in the past, where things were just easy. Hearing perhaps the laughter of kids playing freely. Of barbecues sizzling. Of glasses clinking. Can you hear the laughter of loved ones everywhere? Guess what? There are no masks. Somebody new just arrived at the party. And everyone's getting up to give them a hug. A nice, long, juicy summer hug. I'll stay quiet for the last part of this song and just let you play. Yes, this song is over. Yes, this particular meditation is coming to an end. But dear artist, dear creator, I assure you that endless summer is alive forever inside your heart. Whenever you are maybe in need of a reminder of the warmth, of the joy, of the love that's all around you, you just need to carve out a little space for yourself, take a few deep breaths, and go inwards. Thank you for meditating with me this morning. It was an honor. It was a joy. My name's Darius, and we'll see you next time.